Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Antonio here. Today we're going to be installing these wheel covers from EVBASE. They sent it out to us, and I'm going to show you the installation process. Take off the old ones, put the new ones, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do an efficiency test and see what we get out of the stock wheels, and then we're going to see the efficiency on the new wheels that got sent in by EVBASE. I do have a discount code. It's Antonio A on checkout. Just check them out. I'll post it up on my description and up here. And let's see what we're gonna do with these wheel covers. So I'll see you when we start taking them apart. So guys, welcome back to another video. Antonio here. Today's going to be an installation video. All right, my friends from EVBASE sent me over some wheel covers, and we're going to go out there to the car and we're going to install them. So stay with me. We're going to go in the garage. We're going to unbox the covers and see what we get inside the box, and then we're going to do an installation. After we do the installation, we're going to do a comparison, and we're going to drive with the stock covers, and then we're going to drive with the new covers and see what the efficiency is. So yeah, so come along with me and let's see what we got in the box. All right, let's see what we get in the box, okay? Right now, this is the box that came. EVBASE sent us this. We're going to cut it up. All right. So we're going to get tape. Put that on the side. Look at the rims. All right. Okay. Let's place some more here. All right. Let's see, anything else in here? Nothing. All right, so let's see what we got. All right, so this is what we get in the box from EVBASE. All right, they sent this over to me. We're going to do an installation video. The caps do separate. So when you do order these hubcaps or these wheel covers, when you do order these wheel covers, make sure to look in your mail, because those center caps will come separate in a little bag. All right, so let's get these on the car. Let's do the installation, and let's see how easy it is to install and how easy it is to remove the old ones and put these one in. These are the stock covers on my 2024 Model Y. All right, so we're gonna start the test right now. I resetted the trip A. All right, I reset it to 0 miles, 0 kilowatts. Let's see what we get on the stock wheel covers. So let's head out right now. We're gonna do a 10 mile trip, and then a 10 mile again with the new wheel covers. So let's see what we got. We're gonna go this way. We're at 65% state of charge. So let's see what we get. 65%. All right, so we installed the new wheel covers from EVBASE. Okay, so on our stock wheel covers, we did 7 miles. We used 1 kilowatt hour, and it was at 196 watt hour per mile. All right, and we were at 65% state of charge, and we're at 63. All right, we got the wheel covers out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have to install this rubber gasket all around the inside of the rim, which that will help protect against scratching on your car rim. So we're going to put this inside here, all along around the side on all 4 of them, and then we're going to go and we're going to install over there. All right, we are installing it. Let's go. Let's do it a little at a time. I've peeled this back, and we're going to do it on all 4 rims. Three more to go. All right, I'm gonna do this, and when I'm done, we'll start installing them. Let's do number 2. All right, so all the rubber pieces put around on every single rim. Just make sure, look inside the rim if this is supposed to be, if they will tell you, you know, right front, right rear, left front, left rear. This doesn't say, so I guess they all go in one way. Yeah, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take these covers and install them. These covers do come in this, so I wanted to break it off a little bit so people could see the T, and I got it in white. You could get it in black, red, or just stealth, nothing. So I'm going to install these on here, and after this we're going to take off, we're going to take the stock wheel covers, and we're going to replace them with this. And we are going to go for a ride and see the efficiency on these new wheel covers. So let's install these and then get off the stock wheel covers and put these on. All right, see you in a bit. Match these with the valve cover, so they're all one way. Okay, 3 more to go. All right. Okay, so everything's on. The caps are on. All right, make sure you match the end of the T of the Tesla with your valve stem so they're all one direction. All right, so let's go and install it on the car and let's see what we get. All right, and then we're going to do a test, and this is getting installed on my 2024 Model Y. All right, so in order to take these out, we're gonna put your hand in here and pull. All right, so these came off. All right, we're going to set this aside. I like the rim. And we are going to install this. So find the valve stem. All right, there it is. Go right there. And then find the valve stem. Valve stem right there. Okay. All right, I like them already. All right, 3 more. We got to do 3 more. Let's go install them. All right, so I'm gonna go get the other wheel cover. Okay, and we're gonna install the back one. All right, make sure we take this off because I didn't do it on the last one. So we're gonna take that off. We're gonna take this out. Let's place this down. So once again, get your hands in here and pull and pull and pull and pull. That's out. Now we're going to replace it Get your stem cover, your stem valve, follow your stem valve, put it in right here, okay? Then, very easy installation. All right, that's 2. We're gonna go get the other ones. All right, and we're gonna install the other side. 1. And the material on these are a lot stronger and heavier because they're out of ABS. I will have a discount code in the description below, but if you do go on their site, all you have to do on checkout, just put my discount code Antonio A and you'll get 20% off. That in. The best part about these rims is that this covers your whole rim. So if you do have any curb rashes, okay, it will protect your original rim. So one more, let's do one more. These are kind of a little bit flimsy. There we go. All right, they look good. Don't throw these out, you can save these. So far so good. It gives it another different look on the car. I really like it. Huh? What do you think?
Yeah.
They look good, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so what we're gonna do now is let's put these away. Let's put those away. And we're gonna go for a nice efficiency run. Let's see what we get on these rims. Not rims, but these wheel covers. All right, guys, so anyway, I'm gonna get in the car. I'm gonna go for another 7-mile run, the same one I did before with the original wheels covers. And let's see what we get with the new ones. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so we installed the new wheel covers from EVBASE. Okay, so on our stock wheel covers, we did 7 miles. We used 1 kilowatt-hour, and it was at 196 watt-hour per mile. All right, and we were at 65% state of charge, and we're at 63. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna reset this. We're gonna do the same distance. All right, so let's do the test. We got 7 miles to go, and we're gonna head back the same way that we did when we left to do the test with the original covers, and now we're with the EVBASE wheel covers, the new ones. So let's see the efficiency we're gonna get. So we are heading back. I mean, we were stuck in traffic, so now we're heading back the same way we came. Okay, and let's see the efficiency. Okay. All right, so we got here, we only used 1%. We started at 60% state of charge. We got back here at 59%. We did 7 miles, 1 kilowatt per hour. Okay, we used 1 kilowatt hour energy, and we averaged that at 171 watt hours per miles. Before it was at 196. That's a good efficiency. I'm going to calculate over here how much we got, but that's really, really excellent. And we only used 1%. Before, on the way here with the stock covers, we used 3%. And it was at 196 or 198. So let me compare, and I'll show you guys what's the difference and how many miles we gained on these new wheels from EVBASE. All right. I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys. As you can see here on the data comparison, compared from the stock wheel covers to the new wheel covers from EVBASE. It was a very short drive, okay, so I don't have a lot to compare to. My next road trip will be in a couple of days, so I will do another video comparing the old OEM wheel covers to the new EV-based wheel covers. A total of 7 mile distance, I gained an extra 2 miles. All right, we went from 196 watt-hours per mile to 171 watt-hours per mile. Basically, they are performing well, and the construction of the wheel is a way better and more sturdier than the OEM one. All right, here's their website. All right, check them out, guys. Do all your shopping for Black Friday and enjoy your 20% discount at checkout. Antonio A is the code, and go do your shopping at EVBASE.com. All right, guys, we did the installation. Now, if you want to find the product, all you got to do is go to EVBASE.com. Okay, select your model, anywhere from a S, 3, X, or Y. Select your wheel covers, 19, 20, 21s, any size you have on your vehicle. All right, click on that, and what you do is select the vehicle that you want. The ones that I had are right here. These are nice. They're very efficient. All you got to do is just go in, and I think the center caps, you pick which one you want. Okay, so all you got to do is just add to cart. After you add these items to the cart, okay, what you're going to do is when you go to checkout, or on the code, you apply the code Antonio A, and it'll give you a 20% discount off. So, you know, there's your caps. Either you get the red, the black, the white, or anything. So, yeah. So anyway, guys, check them out. Okay, EVBASE, really good quality, very ABS hard, better than the factory ones. Okay, and yeah, you'll be happy. You'll be happy. So yes, check them out again. EVBASE.com. Use discount code Antonio A, and you'll get 20% off. All right, guys. So we seen the installation video of the new wheels from EVBASE. Okay, compared to the OEM wheel covers from Tesla. All right, the construction on the EVBASE ones is very sturdy, very well made. Okay, and the efficiency is there. Okay, I haven't done a long trip. I'm going to be doing that trip soon. 90 miles going, 90 miles coming. I'll be swapping out the OEM with the new EV ones. All right, so anyway, guys, use my discount code Antonio A at EVBASE.com. We'll give you an extra 20% off, okay? And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, all right? And if you have any comments, leave them down below. So head out to EVBASE.com and go do your shopping for Black Friday, okay? And also, if you're in the market for a Tesla, okay, my discount code is below. So all the links to the website of EVBASE will be on the description below, and also my discount code. I'll see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.